Hello everyone! Today we're going to crochet this rose shawl. It unfolds into a circle and the diameter can reach up to 85 centimeters. Let's take a look. Okay, we're going to put this part away. It's the shape of a bouquet of roses and it's very beautiful. Put it on the bed or over your shoulder. They are all very beautiful. So now let's start crocheting. First, we're going to use white thread to crochet a part of our subject. Use a crochet size 3.0 millimeters. Take out the yarn. Make a circle with your left little finger. The index finger of the left hand picks up the thread. Make a circle around the middle finger. Put your thumb on the intersection of the lines. We need to make a magic ring. Let's take a look. Thread through the coil. Bring the thread over. At this point, there is a coil on the crochet. Wrap the yarn and thread through the coil. It is the method of making a magic ring. Cast on a magic ring. Now we're going to hook 2 chain stitches. A chain stitch has been hooked here. There are 3 chain stitches in total. That's 2, 3. After you've hooked the 3 chain stitches, these 3 chain stitches serve as the standing needles of a double crochet. Hook 12 double crochets in the circle. Let's take a look at how to crochet a double crochet. Wrap the yarn around the crochet. Then cross this line. Bring the thread over. And let's take a look. There are now 3 loops on the crochet. Wrap the yarn and thread through the 2 coils. After passing the first 2 crochets, there are 2 more loops under the crochet. Let's go around the line again. Pass through the next 2 coils. This is how to crochet a double crochet. Our novice sisters need to remember to mark the first double crochet. Next, hook 11 double crochets into the coil. A total of 12 double crochets are needed. So now we need to hook. Wrap the yarn and thread through the coil. Bring the thread over. There are 3 coils at this point. Wrap the yarn and thread through the 2 coils. Wrap the yarn again and thread through the 2 coils. This is how to crochet a double crochet. Our sisters who are watching it for the first time can watch it in slow motion. Now we are going to knit at a normal speed. Our sisters who don't know how to do it can practice it several times. The double crochet is represented by the letters DC. 12 DC equals 12 double crochets. There are 4 more. Let's look at the 12 double crochets. Each double crochet corresponds to 2 little V's, the small V-shaped stitch formed by the 2 lines. Let's have a look. This is the first double crochet marked here. This is the second double crochet. Go one by one. There are 12 double crochets corresponding to 12 needles. When you hook, count to see if the 12 stitches are correct. Find this short thread. Pull it tight. There are no holes up to here. Alright, just to get to this point, we find the first needle point, which is the one that is marked. Hold this thread across the crochet. Hook a slip stitch. Bring the thread over. Hook this coil directly into the one behind it. This is a slip stitch. The first round is now finished. This is a diagram of the rose carpet. Now we are going to hook the first round of the magic ring, the 3 chain stitches. The DC represents a double crochet, 12 DC and 1 slip stitch. The first lap is now over. Let's hook the second circle. Hook 3 more chain stitches in the second circle. Hook 3 chain stitches as a part of this round. It doesn't count as stitches. When the 3 chain stitches are hooked up, DCINC is the addition of a double crochet. Hook another chain stitch. Repeat the crochet 12 times. Hook a slip stitch. Let me show you how to crochet the additional stitch of a double crochet. Hook 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Let's take a look. And then you thread the needle from this slip stitch. Pass the 2 threads through this entire needle at once. Hook a double crochet. Mark the first double crochet. Then we will thread the needle from this one eye. Hook another double crochet. The 2 double crochets come from the same needle. The additional stitch of a double crochet, that's a DCINC. A double crochet has been added. Hook a chain stitch. Hook a chain stitch. Here's a gap. Let's take a look. There's a gap here. See, that's the pattern. Hook a chain stitch into the gap. In the second needle, hook an additional stitch of a double crochet. It's the second group. Repeat it 12 times. Hook the second group of the additional stitch of a double crochet. This is the second needle. Hook 2 double crochets. After hooking 2 double crochets, hook a chain stitch. Next up is the third group. Just follow this pattern. Hook the circle up. Crocheting is a very regular thing. Master this rule well, and it's actually very simple to knit. Learn how to recognize this diagram. Hook a chain stitch, then hook the fourth group. Hook another chain stitch. After each group is hooked, hook a chain stitch. This one blanket, the crochet method is actually very simple. Repeat hook double crochet and chain stitch. There's also a slip stitch. There are 3 types. Just get the rules right and it's actually very simple. Hook another slip stitch. We finished the second lap. Now there's a gap of chain stitches between each group. It's not obvious now. The further along the row, the more obvious it becomes. Let's look at this gap. Now let's hook the third circle. The third circle is the same. Hook 3 chain stitches first. Then there's the double crochet. Add another additional stitch of double crochet, a chain stitch. So this is a combination. Repeat this crochet 12 times. Hook a slip stitch. Let's demonstrate. The first step is to hook 3 chain stitches. The next rule is that there is a double crochet, an additional stitch of double crochet, and a chain stitch. Hook a double crochet in the first needle. Mark the first stitch. Hook 2 double crochets in the second needle. That's an additional stitch of double crochet. Alright, and a chain stitch. Hook the first combination, a double crochet, an additional stitch of double crochet, a chain stitch. Hook 12 times. This is the rule. Each circle adds 12 stitches. Keep hooking it up in multiples of 12. The bigger the hook, the bigger the catch. Now let's hook the second group. Don't hook here in the chain stitch gap. Hook here in the double crochet eye. Hook the first double crochet. Hook a double crochet and add a stitch here at the second double crochet. Hook another double crochet. Hook a chain stitch. The third group is the same. Do not hook this chain stitch gap. Hook a double crochet, a double crochet, an additional stitch of double crochet, a chain stitch. We've hooked up 3 groups. Everyone follows this rule and hooks the whole circle.